Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. So, Copilot is unresponsive, or it gives errors, or it just doesn't do what it's supposed to. This is the catch-all issue, and it can have many causes. The good news is that most Copilot problems fall into predictable categories: connection issues, cache corruption, regional restrictions, or account problems. Work through these steps in order and you will likely get Copilot working again. So into this small tutorial, we're gonna go through them systematically, fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. First thing first, check the server status. Before you change anything on your end, check if Copilot is down for everyone by going and looking for the status of cloud.microsoft and look for an active incident affecting Copilot. If there is, wait for Microsoft to resolve it. Then check your internet connection. Since Copilot needs a stable connection, run a speed test. You need at least 5 megabytes per second. Download. If your connection is slow or unstable, start your router or switch to a different network. Then you can easily clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted cache is the most common cause of Copilot problems. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, then restart your browser and try Copilot again. If you are using the Copilot app, clear the app cache through your device settings, then reopen it. You can also try by updating your browser or even app, since an updated browser or app can cause compatibility issues. Make sure you are using the latest version of Edge, Chrome, or even the Copilot app. You can also try to disable VPN or proxy, sign out and back in, and also check your region. And don't forget to use the correct account. And that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. See you all in the next video.